Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation. My name is Eric. I share daily tips and tricks about Nextdoor and help business owners to get more leads. Today I'm going to review a list of 11 side hustles that you can start today if you don't have a company yet or you want to generate an additional revenue. And let's dive in right away. So the first one would be to start a pet sitter or dog walker side hustle. Nextdoor is having a lot of users that are rather a bit older than younger, and this is typically the type of people who might have some pets at home and may be looking for some services related to pet sitting and dog walking and stuff like that. So you can log on to your local neighborhood app and see you will regularly see people asking for services such as these, and that's a perfect gig for students. And create a group, my recommendation, topical group, and post there every day, not always saying that you are looking for a job, but sharing interesting informations about pets, talking about yourself, and that's how you will get some leads. The second one is being a handyman. A lot of people from the same age zone are also not very good at fixing stuff at home and need some repairs. So whether it's to fix a curtain, repair a cabinet door, or even a small leaky faucet. So there are plenty of things that are needed by people. So if you create your small profile and show yourself as a supportive and effective handyman, you will definitely get some leads. The next one would be in the area on house cleaning, and I see a lot of people advertising their house cleaning gigs. And since Airbnb has been very popular over the years, a lot of house owners who are on Nextdoor Airbnb don't have the time to clean after their customers. So this is a small business you can start, and there are regularly needs for these. And of course, remind the people that you're available for them. The next one is in the garden niche, so lawn mowing, for example, front yard. This is right now the last day of September. The autumn, fall has arrived, so this is the perfect opportunity for you to clean the leaves, and a lot of people don't have the energy or the time or the strength to do this small gardening task, and you can make a few bucks fairly easily. Be mobile, advertise that you can do it within the day, and you will definitely be hit up by people interested in your services. The next one is regarding car detailing, so you don't just find people who may need to clean their car or polish their lights. Lights over time tend to be turned opaque, so you find the right cleaner to restore lights. People always appreciate these things, or when you have people with a big family coming back from a holiday trip or weekend trip and don't have the time nor the envy to clean their car, it's a quick buck to be made. Number 6 is gutter cleaning. Again, we are reaching fall, and these gutters need to be clean, and to avoid to have leaks or damage on the roof. This is definitely something that will appear more and more at this period of the year. The next one requires a little bit more of equipment if you want to do some small moving gigs, and you also have to be strong. Don't hurt yourself or hurt your bag. You may have to get a small van, but even sometimes it's just about furniture moving. Elderly people would like to move a sofa and don't have the possibility to do it by themselves without hurting themselves. So quick bucks to be done, and that does not take a long time, so it's up to you to fix the right price for the people and have it done quickly. The next one does not require strengths. It's within the language tuition or homework helper or tutors. You always find people on Nextdoor who need assistance to help their kids do their homework or improve a math problems, or learning a foreign language if you are good at that. So helping the kids to learn new languages, or sometimes even adults who wants to polish their French or their German or their Chinese. There's a lot of opportunities there. Before the last one, it's called arbitrage. By the way, I've made a video in the past about arbitrage on Nextdoor. I'll leave a link here for you to check. So you find items for free or for sale that you think you can flip and make a few bucks. Depends if you have storage, might help. A small van also to take away the items. So arbitrage is undervalued opportunity. It requires time, it requires experience a little bit, but you will learn along the way. And the last one is becoming a Nextdoor social media manager. Some companies don't have the time to advertise properly. If you've watched all my previous videos, you know how to do it. And if you get a few customers to do their social media, Nextdoor social media manager, and you need some assistance to automate this task, you can talk to me and we can team up to service your customers, to get them more leads on a regular basis, and build their brand on Nextdoor. So that's it for today's video. I wish you a pleasant day, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, leave a like or a dislike, subscribe to the channel for more, and I leave you here a video about my Nextdoor blueprint for you to learn more about the secret tips and tricks on Nextdoor. Take care, bye bye.